All scans in YStocks run whatever watchlist user has selected from left hand side of chart. The lower box is symbol box where the symbols are loaded. We will run a scan just for demonstration point of view. The breakout analysis. The results are shown in the form of images. The F12 to switch view, we can switch the view of these images. We can export this symbol as a watch list. A special character should not be used, otherwise it will give an error message. Given the name bullish, the watch list has been saved and will appear again on the left hand side of the chart. Bullish. All three stocks have appeared in the lower box. Now we will run another scan, say search divergence, and we will look for positive divergence here. We can export any one symbol also instead of all the results in any watch list. For example, we will add Hind Unilever, say in that bullish watch list. We will run some other scan also. Wolf wave. And we will add one more symbol to same bullish watch list. You can add to any other watch list also if you want. Now you can see the 5 symbols have appeared. 3 were from starting and 2 more added in 2 different scans. Now we have changed the time frame to weekly. Now all scans will run in the weekly time frame. Okay, we are scanning head and shoulder pattern. We can add symbol not just from the scan result but also from the main chart also. Like we will be adding sale symbol to the bullish watch list.